So today's giveaway is Double Dip. This is not a sponsored giveaway. I purchased these items myself and I'm giving them from me to you, to one special winner. I actually wasn't going to do a 4K giveaway. I was just gonna go from 3 straight to 5K, but I was like, you know what, Carol, you've been doing like these milestones and I really enjoy giveaways because I feel like it's like a little party. Like we get to have like a little tiny celebration, and with everything going on in the world, we need more reasons to celebrate, not less, in my opinion. And what's wrong with giving somebody a little something? It's not like I don't have enough dip powder. Anyways, for today's giveaway, I'm giving away, I'm gonna open your box for you, whoever this lucky winner is today. I'm gonna give away a set of liquids and things. So it's literally the 4 steps that Double Dip has in their liquids kit, and all the other brushes and tools. Like they really go ham on that. Giving you that, and I'm giving you 4 different dip powders. I'll have them all listed below, but it's a variety of colors: a purple, like a minty color, a clear, and a hot pink, and some hollow flakes. I'm also giving away this little pouch with a cute little brush in it, so whoever the lucky winner is gets those things. Anyways, so stay tuned towards the end of this video because you're about to watch me unbox my recent Double Dip haul and swatch the things, and then actually do like a little bit of nail art on a swatch stick because I actually tested it out on a swatch before I did it on my own natural nails. So if you want to see that, stick around. So this purchase came in this white box, and it made me happy knowing that my order came in the same kind of packaging that my PR package came in on my last video, because it's important to me that companies treat customers the way they do content creators and people they send PR to. Like there's certain brands out there that just treat their customers of a lower quality, and I don't like that. So it felt good to me that as a customer, me purchasing these myself, it was the same quality as what I got in PR. So I want to talk about these bingo cards that you saw when I first opened the package. If you order anything over $15 from now until July 20th, you actually get a bingo card. And what this means is you go to their Facebook group, and during certain days of the week, I believe it's next week, they're going to basically do bingo. And if you hit a bingo, you win $2,000 worth of their products, which is absolutely amazing. So this is the liquid set that I'm going to be giving away to one lucky winner. So I'm not going to unpackage that. And then we're going to get into the dip powders that I purchased. So I purchased the pastel kit. It came with liquids and the 7 dip powders. Champagne, for some reason, looks like it came in a 1/4 ounce jar. I don't know why, because I'm pretty sure all jars in this kit was supposed to come in a 1/2 ounce size like the other ones did. So I'll just email their customer service. But the pastel kit came with a bunch of pretty colors. So I was like, you know what, for the price it was, I think it was $37.99. I don't like this label's like offset, like it was just like a rushed job, because you can see how centered it is here. But you know what, I've purchased from other brands who do the same thing. Don't center their labels. Not the end of the world, just me being nitpicky. And then these were the other colors I purchased. I was really in the market for more like fall colors, things that I can transition July, August into September kind of colors. So I went for like some reds and golds and oranges. And oh, and this is a jar of flaky. So I actually have 2 jars of this because I have another box from Double Dipped, and I'll do a video on that soon. But this is my jar. I'm going to keep this jar because I'm sticking my finger in it. But one of the winners is actually going to get the other jar of flakies, and they're hollow flakes. And then here are the powders that I purchased. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them and we can see what they look like. So I was really impressed with this glitter. This is the chunkiest glitter out of all the ones that I purchased. And I was really just looking for unique shades, and I think this one really hits the mark on unique glitters. So here are the flaky hollow flakes. I applied them to my swatch stick, which is a little difficult, but I know that you can mix them with your dip powders, apply them over top. Bunny Nose, I'm actually going to use for a mani very, very soon. So you'll see it very soon. I actually really like this color on my skin tone. I think it looks very good. It's not super pink, Emerald is not emerald, go figure. It's not an emerald color, it's a turquoise color, and just really on a minty side. I thought it was really stunning, and I do plan on using this sometime this summer, if not next spring. So this is the Champagne Cold 1/4 ounce jar that I got. I really like this. I think I can do some ombre stuff with this on my way into fall manis. And then Clear Sky. This is actually one of the colors that's going to be entered into the giveaway. So if you guys like this color, hey, it's really pretty. It's more toned down from Emerald. And then Magnolia is a beautiful light blushy purple. I don't know why I called it blushy, but this one's also going to be in the giveaway. So if you like this color, hey. And then the other color is called Enchanted. I absolutely love this color. It is like a white sheer glitter. Super gorgeous. I don't know what to say about it other than it's pretty. This color is, ooh. I was super excited about getting this one. I think it's really, really beautiful. And I like how subtle the glitter is in it. But I'm pretty sure if I take it out in the sun, it's going to hit it just right. Alright, this is the chunky girl that I showed you earlier. So here she is swatched. She looks a lot prettier in person than she does here on the camera. So don't be turned off by her right now. And then this color is a nice orange. I'm not really an orange person, but I'm looking for good transition shades into fall. And I think this would go great with a bunch of other colors, especially the berry colors I purchased. And then this is a minty light glitter. Absolutely stunning. If you like light colors and you want glitter, I recommend that you get this one. This is the only color out of all of them that I purchased that I'm still kind of uncertain about. I don't know how I feel about it. I have to find the good color combo to go with it. I usually like reds, but I'm not feeling this one. So this is the entire range of colors that I purchased and swatched. It's more on the pastel side because I got the spring starter kit, but I plan on going to get some more fall colors. So here is the giveaway prize before we actually get into a real cool tutorial. So it's going to come with 4 dip powders, this hot pink. Here are the hollow flakes that I told you about. Magnolia. This is a clear base and Clear Sky. So it's funny, there's 2 clear words. And you're also going to get an entire liquid set and all the tools that come in the liquid set. So you're getting basically the whole shebang and this little iridescent pouch with a cute duster brush. So you're going to get a lot of things. It is mini tutorial time, and the only reason I'm doing this right now is because I have a mani that I'm going to do next week. I have an idea in my head, and I want to practice it before I actually do it on my nails to see if it really turns out the way I imagined it. So what I'm doing is I'm dipping my entire nail or swatch in Bunny Nose, which is the light pink, and then I'm taking my eyeshadow brush and I'm scrubbing on the minty color, which is Emerald. So I'm scrubbing that onto the bottom of my swatch. If you need a scrub ombre tutorial, like a more in-depth one, I'll link one here. But I'm going to do this 2 times because I have something cool after the scrub ombre. I have this thing that I like to do with scrub ombres where I like to do my last layer with clear dip powder and then scrub the color, the darker color. So I'm dipping the swatch in clear dip powder and then I'm going to take my brush and scrub on Emerald onto the bottom. The reason I do this is because it makes it like more pigmented, and if you still feel like it's not pigmented enough, you can repeat the clear and scrub for a second time to get really like a heavier pigment. Alright, here is the most fun part of this tutorial. So I actually learned this from Miranda's Nails Creations, how she does chrome with her stamping. It's really, really cool technique. Make sure to check out her video because she has a really cool fall design on it. But what I'm doing is I'm taking this chrome powder that I got from Sparkle & Co. I'll link it down below. And I'm using an eyeshadow applicator and literally rubbing it into my stamper. Don't worry, I have several jelly stampers, so I'm okay with like making this my chrome stamper. No big deal. And then I'm going to apply black stamping polish over the design that I want to stamp, which is these cute flamingos. I think they're really, really cute. And then we're going to scrape that with our scraper card and roll the chrome stamper right over the black polish. And then this is super duper cool, guys. You know how I have the chrome all over this stamper? Well, when you do this over black polish, only the part with the polish will transfer onto the nail or the swatch. So everywhere that I just put the chrome and stamped over the black polish, only the black polish and chrome will stamp over. So I literally just got chrome flamingos really, really easily. I didn't have to do anything extra. I didn't have to use gel to get the chrome on there. I think it's really, really cool that you're able to do this and make like an artistic nail design on your nail. Welcome back, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and the little quickie tutorial there at the end there because I needed to do this set. Anyways, I'll post this on my Instagram sometime next week, but I'm super excited to start announcing the requirements to get entered into the giveaway. So I want to make this giveaway a little interesting, not the same old routine that I've been doing on my past giveaways. So for this giveaway, if you've never heard of Double Dip, I have their website link in the description below, but to be entered into this giveaway, you're going to have to head over to the Double Dip website, browse, peruse, look at all the things, and then figure out which is your favorite color. And then come back here and leave a comment letting me know two things: your favorite color that they offer for sale, and what your Instagram handle or email address, whatever you use as your best way to contact you, let me know that as well. So favorite color from Double Dip and your email or Instagram handle, whichever one you want to share. Anyways, and I do want to remind you guys that this video is not sponsored. I purchased these items myself, so I'm giving them away, but there is going to be another giveaway involving Double Dip very soon. So please stay tuned, keep subscribing, and I'll see you guys soon.